AGV is a autonomously guided vehicle which drives around in warehouses and moves bins from one machine to the other machine.
Prodrive is working on the lights out factory, and in order to establish that we need 24/7 transport of all kinds of goods, and the AGV is made to automate the transport of goods between different robots. A lights out factory is a nice synonym for a factory that runs 24/7, so you don't really need to turn on the lights anymore because there's no humans involved anymore.
In order to make this lights out factory, we also need a robot that can function without the lights, so an automatic robot.
The mechanics, the electronics and the software are all developed in-house, so basically we made the AGV all the way ourselves.
There are parts in the AGV made from many different processes, from welding, 3D printing, vacuum forming, sheet metal, you name it. Well, I like to think of mechanics as the thing that brings the whole project together. We have a strong frame to give a foundation, we have a powertrain so it can drive around, and of course a lifting module and a conveyor.
Within AGV there's a lot of components. You can think of motor drivers, electric drivetrains, charging circuits, and of course sensors. Within electronics, the main challenge is to achieve a reliable design, because the AGV works around people and in a warehouse surrounded by people. So the main purpose is to keep it safe for people to use and be around. So all sensors need to be reliable, and that user interfacing should be safe. Shown whenever we have a board coming in fresh from production and we start testing it. And this is really when we get the hands-on experience on a board. And then later, after all the testing, we can implement it in the AGV and see it drive around. Of course, this is a very satisfying feeling, and also you're very proud of your work.
The software is kind of the brain for the AGV. So you have information from sensors, and the software tells what action the AGV will do next.
When you're running 24/7, every single possible situation that you can think of will occur at some point, and the software needs to be reliable in all of those situations.
What I like most about doing this project is that you can develop new skills while doing it. So I'm not only helping the company, but I'm also becoming a better engineer myself.